Every parent wants their children to grow healthy, strong, and tall. While your child's maximum height is mostly determined by genetics, proper nutrition plays a large part in helping them grow to their full potential. Make sure they get the proper minerals, vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats they need to power their little bodies. Below is the list of the best foods that you need to add to your child's daily diet and help them grow healthy. Milk. Milk is a great source of calcium, which is vital in bone formation, which is a vital part of a child's growth in height. It is very wholesome, and one can have the child take a glass a day or even incorporate milk as an ingredient like yogurt or cheese in preparing various meals. Eggs. Eggs are rich in proteins and vitamin B12 that are very helpful in boosting the child's growth spurt and make them grow taller. You can incorporate an egg a day to your child's daily menus. Whole grains. Whole grains provide a lot of calories, which are a necessity to the child's growth. Grains are packed with carbohydrates, which are the primary source of energy that is much needed by the young ones. They are also the healthiest option to fulfill vitamin B and iron intake for kids. Whole grain breads, pastas, and cereals are great choices if you want your kids to grow taller. Chicken. Usually, kids love recipes that include chicken. If your kids also do, don't restrain them to have their favorite chicken recipes. Chicken is rich in protein that is good for their growth. But it does not mean that your children can get greasy fried chicken in fast food restaurants all the time. Make sure that you make healthy recipe without preservatives and additive. Spinach. Remember that Popeye have a very healthy body, and he loves eating spinach. Yes, that's what you can tell to your kids. Spinach is one of the superfoods that will not only give your kids the strength that they need, but will also provide them with iron and calcium. These two nutrients are essential to make sure that your kids grow tall. Carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, which helps in the synthesis of proteins in the body. Raw carrots have the highest content of this vitamin, so add them to salads and soups or get them drink fresh carrot juice daily. Peas, it's also good for their vision. Fruits. It's a common sense that fruits are important foods for everyone to stay healthy. For kids, fruits that are rich in vitamin A like mangoes, peaches, and cantaloupe will help them grow taller and strengthen their bones when they are added to their diet. Other than the balanced diet with those foods, kids also need to have enough time to rest their bodies. No matter how old your child is, try to encourage him/her to get to bed at the same time every night and to wake up at the same time every day, even on the weekend. Sleeping is the time for their bodies to repair and produce growth hormones, which thus can make them grow taller. Children also should get the right amount of exercise. Exercises keep your children growing and can help to fight obesity. Encourage your child to play footballs or run outdoors. If possible, enroll your children in their favorite sports so they can be active in the evenings or weekend. In addition, have them participate in doing domestic chores around the house like vacuuming or dog walking. If you like our video, please like or subscribe our YouTube channel.